Hello and welcome again to our channel. Today we have Porsche Cayenne, and what we're about to do is the original genuine Porsche reversing camera. So I'm just going to show you first here. The car came without, it's a Cayenne S, and the camera goes here in the grip, which clearly doesn't have it, as you can see it, and I'll show you as well inside. So let's just go in there. Right, so I'm going to show you what options we currently have in the car. So obviously we've got the full PCM system. If I select the reverse gear, you can see just the sensors come up here on the left. So the front and rear sensors that came from the factory. What we're going to add is the camera that will come here and take the rest of the screen, helping you navigate when reversing. So let's get to it and we'll show you when it's ready. Right, job is completed. We're just gonna get this car out now from the workshop. But let me first show you the camera now that is installed in the grip. So as you can see, it's sitting here where the grip is, and the lens is just built in there. So if I open the car, you'll be able to actually see much better the way the camera looks. So as you can see, it sits right in there. And that will help us navigate when reversing the car. So let's see now how it performs inside. Okay, I've got the car out. It's raining today, so I didn't want to record it outside because obviously we will get all wet. So now that the car is out, let's just select the reverse gear so we can see how the system performs. And there you go. So you get your parking sensors showing up on the as before. So obviously they moved to the right now, so you got the front sensors and the rear sensors, and most important, you've got your reversing camera. You see the rear bumper, you've got the guidelines. These are the active guidelines. They move with the steering wheel. So as you can see, I'm moving the steering wheel here and they moving left and right. The camera has been obviously calibrated fully, so it's exactly adjusted for this model Cayenne. So if I reverse now, if I try to show you how it performs with the sensors as well, you can see me approaching the rear post, and obviously the sensors are picking up. You obviously can see how far you are from it as well. So there you go, it's all coming up nicely. I'm going to move forward again so we come out from it. So this camera really helps maneuvering, especially this big car that we've got here. Let me just switch off the beeping. There you go. So this really helps navigating this car. It's a big car, so it really helps this. And obviously this is done to the factory specification, including 3 years warranty. For more information, just get in touch with us. The links will be in the description. And for now, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. Cheers!